Hey y'all, I want to talk to you real quick about when we talk to our prospects, what that looks like and how we do that. So let me give you a scenario. Let's say Johnny comes in and he's talking to you on the phone, Facebook, whatever. He reaches out to you and he's like, "Hey, I'm interested in this, but I'm pretty skeptical. But here's all my symptoms of what's been going on in my life. I'm bloated. I've got headaches. My joints hurt a little bit. I have bad allergies," and he just gives you a slew of things. And your first thought is, "Oh my word, you need every product in Plexus. Every single product is going to help you." And so you kind of get a little lost in the excitement of helping someone, and B, you also get lost in the whole, where do I start and what product do I begin with? And I, at first, would kind of intimidate people and kind of deter them by saying, say hello, by saying, actually, we've got so many products that would help with all of that. And they'd be like, yeah, right. And even though that's true, and even though we do have a lot of products that help with a lot of chronic issues, a lot of pain, allergies, and things, but we need to focus on one symptom. So when they give me a list of things and they say, "Here's my list," I say, what is the one thing that you want to work on the most? What's the one thing that bothers you the most, that inhibits you the most? And sometimes it surprises you with everything they list. They may say, it's my foot pain that bothers me the most. Or they may say it's my allergies, and then they can help you narrow down. Okay, let's start with one aspect first, and then let's go from there. So let's say with Johnny, he says, honestly, it's my gut that bothers me. Ding, ding, ding. That's super easy to start with. So he's skeptical, and you know it, and you know Johnny pretty well. So you're thinking, ooh, triplex, perfect. Okay, let's hone back even in on that. A lot of times, if you can kind of get a feel for the person, if you think that they kind of seem like, I don't really know, are you trying to sell me something or are you trying to help me? Then don't make it about the money. Obviously, we don't do that anyways, hopefully. Don't make it about the money, but make it about, okay, here's the deal. I'm not going to lie. We have a couple different things that would help you, but this is what I really think would be the best. They're looking to you because you are the expert on these products, and hopefully you're doing your research. You're continuing to learn. I think these team videos are going to be a great idea for helping us learn a little bit more in depth about our products. But what you need to say is, you know what, Johnny, here's the deal. I really think, since gut is your main focus right now, from what I've learned, 80% of the immune system is in the gut anyways, and we do a lot that messes that up. Just our American diet alone is a huge inhibitor to us being healthy. So I really think that if we could just get you on this probiotic and the BioCleanse, you explain both of those really quick, short, as in like 15 seconds a piece, really quick. BioCleanse helps oxygenate the body, and toxins can't live in that environment. It's like the sister to the ProBio5. It helps flush things out that you're killing off that your body doesn't need, so things aren't getting backed up. And ProBio5 is helping kill off the bad stuff and replenish the good stuff. I really think that's a good place for us to start with you. Boom, done. You haven't overloaded him with information. You haven't given him a list of, these 7 umpteen products would be great for you. You just do that, and then you say, then you can kind of move into your whole preferred or ambassador pricing, however you go about that. But I think sometimes we're getting lost a little bit in how we can help someone because so much can help them. Well, here's the deal. If you can focus on just ProBio5 and BioCleanse with Johnny, and he's super happy with those products, he's more than likely going to be happy with trying other products as well. The Mega X would be great for his joint pain. The Slim would be great for sleep and energy and things like that. The chronic inflammation that comes along with a lot of our health issues. So, kind of keep it simple, narrow it down, and you know what? They've got the 60-day money-back guarantee as a customer. I always fall back on that if I need to. So hopefully that helps y'all a little bit in kind of focusing on where do we start. Okay,